Hello everybody, Gabe Jenkins back with you, ready to tackle number 18 with the overview here. This one's going to be pretty straightforward and pretty easy. It's going to reuse the polar array tool that we used the other day. So in number 13, I think it was, we've gotten a little bit of practice using the polar array, which is where we take some element we have drawn, for example, this little circle right here, and we're going to rotate it around a central kind of axis of rotation, center point of rotation, which is going to be here. So it's like taking the hands of a clock and making it rotate around. In this case, we're going to take this right here, and we're going to rotate it around with 6 elements, and it's going to go 180 degrees instead of 360 degrees because I don't want it to go all the way around. I just want it to go halfway around that circle. All the dimensions are pretty straightforward here. The smallest circle has a radius of 6. The kind of like outer one right here has a radius of 8, and the larger kind of interior half circle thingies here have a diameter of 24, so a radius of 12. In terms of construction lines, I'm going to make a vertical construction line and a horizontal construction line. I'm going to use this point right there as I'm going to set that as my origin because I think it makes all the rotations a little bit easier. And it tells you down here all the fillet radii are 2. So we kind of go into here and here. The only other weird elements are these little drop-down circle things down here. And in order to find the center point of that circle, it's going to be 50 down and 50 over, because it is on the bottom part right here is on the same circle as that construction circle that I'm going to make. So I'm going to make a vertical line, horizontal line for construction lines. I'm going to make this circle here so that I can locate my center point of this circle right here. So I'm going to make that construction circle of 100 diameter. And then all the other circles are known. So that's about it. It's pretty straightforward. The only other tool you're going to need to do is you're going to need to use something called the explode tool. The explode, when you make an array, polar array or rectangular array, when you make an array, it treats all of the things that are part of that array as one element, right? So you can't just like trim away unwanted parts of that thing. So after we make our array, I'm going to ask you to explode the thing, and then instead of having 6 circles here with 6 little outer lines, it's going to have it's going to treat all those things as individual elements, and so you can start to trim away parts that you don't want. That's about it. I think it's going to be pretty straightforward on this one. Hope you're still liking it, and hope it goes well for you. Have a great day.